Hello, today we will be testing a pneumatic controller. This unit runs off of 4 to 20 milliamps. It's a 20 psi in and a 3 to 15 psi out. We've connected everything up to our lines and our control signal, and now we're going to run our initial test to see what happens. So we'll start out at 0, then we'll go to 4, and we can notice that the needle's not moving. So now we're going to tear it down and repair the unit. So now we've completed the repair, which amounted to seals and some machine work. Let's retest the unit and see if the repair has been successful. So we'll adjust our setting to 4, and, as you can see, the needle barely moved. That's good. Looks good at 8. It's moving. Then 12. It's moving. 16. It's moving. Now 20. It's moving. We can confirm that this unit now meets its specifications. It is putting up 3 to 15 psi. This unit is now fully repaired and ready to ship to the customer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.